Here we're at another library that looks exactly like the other library that I filmed. There's a lot of air conditioners here. Here we have a Lennox here. It's pretty rusty. I don't think it has been running. Look how big the compressor is. All the air conditioners are off, so. Here we have another Lennox. AU3000. This air conditioner is older than the other one. You can barely see the inside. This one has 4 blades on it. I can't usually tell. I think this has been running too. Here we have you should tell where the thing is at. Well, here we have another Lennox. It's pretty rusty. This one has also not been running. It's from 2014. I think this has been running. Here we have this unit right here. I can't usually tell what brand it is. There's no compressor in it. It must be in here. It must be in here somewhere. Oh, now I know. I don't think this has been running too. Here we have these big units. These look pretty new. Look how big the inside is. See the compressor over there. I think these are a little newer. Yeah, I think they are. I don't really see any rust on these units. Here's another one. Look how big that compressor is. Wow. I don't know what that thing is. There's another compressor next to it. I think this one has been running. Look how sweaty that is. Look how sweaty that is right there. What about the other one? Yeah, this also has been running too. I think these two has been running. Cool.